Hello guys, and welcome to Top 4 Earn channel. One of the easiest and fastest ways or how to make money online is downloading photos, and in this video I will be showing you each and every step on how you can earn money with this new method, and it's really easy. You just need to go to this website where you will post the service you want to offer and make money with it. Once someone clicks their offer and wants you to create them a design, then you'll be going to the second website where you'll be able to download all this done for you designs for absolutely free. And after you have downloaded this design, then you can send it to your customer and get paid for it. That's how simple it is. I'm going to show you two websites that are 100% free for everyone all around the globe to access, and the best part is that you're not required to have any previous experiences, and you don't have to be a graphic designer or have any designing skills at all now to start making money with this new strategy I've actually never shared with anyone else. You need to pay very close attention to every detail in this video, and of course follow my every step in order to start making money. You can now continue watching this video, but before we start, welcome to Top 4 Earn, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to click on the notification bell. Now let's get back to the video. I would now like to introduce you the first website that you can go to, and that is Gorilla.com. Basically, Gorilla is an online graphic tool. Apart from photos and images, it allows you to design visuals that include animations, video, and audio. The best part about this tool is that it's incredibly easy to use. You can start creating professional and appealing graphics without going through a graphic design course. Like I mentioned earlier, you really don't have to have any designing skills, as this tool will absolutely do everything for you. Over here you can see thousands of templates that Krill offers. You can simply design a new Instagram or Facebook post or even a YouTube thumbnail, and when clicking on this arrow here you can see all these other templates that this website offers. You can see yourself, this is a perfect website for designers, but the reason why a lot of different lawyers, because you don't need to be an expert in designing. As I said before, you can use this cool tool in here that will actually do all the work for you. But before, I'm going to show you how exactly you'll be making money with Gorilla. You first need to create yourself a free account, and to do that, just click on this button here that says sign up. After clicking on it, you'll be taken to this next page where on the left side you can see how many amazing and cool features, templates, assets, and so on they offer. Now let's continue with creating an account. You can do that with your existing Google, Facebook, and Apple account, or if you want, you can also register by filling in your email address and password. You also need to click to this box here to agree to their terms and conditions, and finally click on sign up to finish creating your account. Once you have successfully created your account, then you can just log in. Now you might be wondering, do you need to pay for anything on this website? Then you'll get your answer by clicking on pricing over here. As you can see, creating an account that great law is absolutely free, but they do offer pricing plans like this one here that will give an option to download over 50 million created assets without limits, and so many other unlimited opportunities as these ones here. In order to start making money with this site, I do believe that the starter account is enough for you. You can upgrade later if you want. As I said earlier, Grillo is a perfect website for designers. That means if you have any designing skills, then you can use them right away on this website. With those templates here, you can start creating Facebook posts, posters, YouTube thumbnails, Facebook covers, logos, and so many more. Now if you don't have any designing skills, then that's totally fine, as you can use T is done for your templates on this site, and you can simply make them look as your customer prefers by editing with a tool on this website. And once you are done with editing, after that you can send it to your customer and get paid for that. That's very easy, isn't it? If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Let me show you the editing tool that you can use to modify a template. I would just click on this template here to demonstrate how to use the tool. After clicking on it, you'll be taken to this next page where you can see the template you have chosen, and on the left side you can see different features you can use. You can add a photo or a video or song to this template, or if you want, you can add animations to it or different kind of objects by clicking here. By clicking on backgrounds, you can change the current background to another one. Then you can add more text to it, or if needed, change the current text. As you can see yourself, there are so many different features you can use, and once you are finished editing it, simply click on download here to see the designer device, whether it's your computer or smartphone. It's time to introduce you a very important website, and that is Nikon. On this website, you will start turning your money. Let me now tell you more about this website and demonstrate how exactly you will start turning on it. Tidum is a freelancing platform where users can either offer or buy services. As I mentioned before, you will be offering a service, and I do believe that Org is the perfect website to post their service and earn decent money. And to do that, you first need to create yourself a free account, and you can do it by clicking on this blue button here that says I want to work. Then you can see this pop-up that shows you how you can create an account with your Google, Facebook, and Apple account. You can also do that by filling in your email address in here, and then click on continue. We're on the next page. They will ask you to fill in your information in order to finish signing up. When you have created your new account and logged in, then you can look around .org and see what the services are being offered on this website by clicking on Explore Services, and here you can see all these different categories. You can also start offering your service and make money in such as graphics and design, digital marketing, writing and translation, video and animation, and so many more. As you will be start earning money by creating designs, then you should be focusing on this exact category here, and that these graphics and design, you can also click on it, and on the next page you can see all the subcategories. You can choose whichever one you like in here, or just choose this one, and that is logo design. Now on the next page you can see all these logo designers who are charging around $25 for one design. You can also start offering this kind of service at Latium and make a good amount of money by just creating logos. Next on, I would like to show you how exactly you can use Gorilla to design logos which your customers will be purchasing through Dayton. To do that, just go to the search bar over here and type in logo, and then click on search. After doing that, you'll be able to see thousands of already done for you logos you can choose from, and then start editing it too as your customer prefers. If you were a designer, you would have to create the logo just by using your own skills and experiences, but thanks to Regular and this tool they offer, you don't need to do much at all, as everything is almost done for you. Next on, you need to select the logo that you believe your customer would also like, and then click on it. Then they can do this next page where you can edit the logo and start using all these features as I showed you at the beginning of this video. When you're ready with the editing, simply download the design to your device, and then you can send that on logo design into your customer through the email address that you can find at Lightroom. After doing that, you will get paid for your work, and how much money you want to earn by designing logos is really up to you. You can charge around $25 to $40 for each design, and when you have, let's say, 10 customers a day, then you will be making $300 to $400 in a single day. I highly recommend you to try out this new method and start creating logo designs. As you can see yourself that this is a really good way to start earning extra money, and that's it. This is Top 4 Earn. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.